Okay, let's test some PVC welding temperatures. Hot air gun. 3-core PVC filler rod. Scraper. Knife. First we will scrape off the shiny oxide layer. This is common practice and will form a slightly stronger weld bond. This is the Leicester Triac SD. Heat, then chamfer the end of the filler rod. Scrape the back of the filler rod, like this. It will help with the welding process. The temperature on this weld run is set too low. No melted material here or here. This will be a weak and unreliable weld. This weld will fail when put under any stress, pressure or temperature variations. Inadequate heat only softens, not melts, resulting in a superficial connection rather than proper fusion. This weld will almost certainly leak if holding fluids or gases. This run the temperature is deliberately set too high. PVC is sensitive to heat and will scorch or burn if too hot. This burning will weaken the plastic structure, reducing the overall strength and durability of the joint. Excessive heat can also cause PVC to warp. Burning PVC releases harmful fumes. Proper ventilation is a necessity during welding. Determining the correct PVC welding temperature is crucial for a strong and reliable weld. If you have the correct temperature, the PVC should melt smoothly and evenly, creating a glossy, fluid appearance here and here. This will be a strong and durable leak-proof weld. This run is with no camera involved. Any queries or questions, please comment. Thanks for watching.